Good afternoon, Warriors, and happy last Friday of January. Today is the 31st of January, 2020. Hard to believe we are already 1/12 of the way through 2020. Looking at our homework this weekend, we'll have another units retake coming up next week. Hopefully we did complete our MobyMax placement tests. Periods 7 and 8, you do have lesson 7.2 to do. Please make sure that we do that. Remember, on Monday, saying I forgot is not a valid excuse. In science, there is no homework. Hopefully, honor students, you remember to pick up your science fair boards after school today. Social studies and language arts, there is no homework. Literature, there's no homework listed, but we can always make sure that we are reading. AR is due in a little bit over a month. For Mrs. Music and CNL and FCS, we have tests on Monday for CNL. That is our safety and sanitation test. And then our communication test is for FCS 6. Everyone have a fantastic weekend, and we will see you in February.